Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make text bold in WhatsApp message. And here's how it's done. First, open the WhatsApp app and go to the top of any conversation. I will use one with myself for this demo. To type in bold, follow these simple steps. Tap on the text field and type your message. To make text bold, start by typing an asterisk. This is the special code WhatsApp uses to format text. Enter your desired text. Finish by adding another asterisk at the end. Once you add the second asterisk, the text will automatically switch to bold. Don't worry, when you hit send, the asterisk won't appear in the final message. WhatsApp recognizes them as part of the formatting code. And that is everything you need to know about how to make text bold in WhatsApp message. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.